In this video, I'll be showing you how you contact customer service on TikTok. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. To do that, hop on your profile like this, and then tap on the hamburger menu top right corner of your screen, move to your settings and privacy. Good. On here, scroll to the bottom, and you can see Help Center, open that. So you see this here, there are lots of articles here for you, but then you want to contact them live, so we tap on the chat with us. And that's it. So all we need to do is we need to select an option. So let's say if you have a problem with your account, you just tap on your account. Let me just tap on account. This is for tutorial, nothing else. And this is an AI, so you let them redirect you to human. Good. So after telling them to redirect you to human, they will tell you to submit a ticket. So you just tap on submit a ticket here, and then you send them everything. They are going to get back to you. You submit a ticket here, they are going to get back to you. You can see you can add images and videos of your choice. It's up to you. So let me try doing something here. You can see the submit pops up. So you just tap on the submit and it's gone. And they'll get back to you when you log into your TikTok. You are going to see it when they get back to you. So that's it on how you contact customer support on TikTok. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.